Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can play Undead Siege in COD Mobile 2023. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So if you have been wondering that since the Undead Siege has been banned on Call of Duty, whether you can play or not, or is it back or not, so for that, first of all, let me show you something. Actually, the Undead Siege is available since the October 18, 2023. It was unbanned, right? So as of October 18, 2023, the Undead Siege Zombies mode is now playable in the game as a part of Halloween 2023 content. Since as a Halloween content it has took the debut, so the mod was removed right on 2023 May 13, but brought back on October 19, 2023 with the season 9 called Graveyard Shift. So now it is available. All you have to do is simply access your Call of Duty, sign in, and there in the games mode you can actually change it and simply start playing the way you used to play COD, right? So all you have to do is simply access your Undead Siege. If you're a new player, all you have to do is create an account, change the mode, and start playing. If you're the previous player, you can simply choose to reactivate and start playing now, because it is available as the Graveyard Shift as a new season. So that is it for this video, guys. If you got more questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.